Hey,
Hi.
I hope you're doing well tonight. We're down here giving the pups and Rocco and Leo their last beach run of the day. And they're already running down there. They're going. So it is really very pretty out here tonight, very peaceful. And that's Mike behind me, you see right now. I really don't see anybody else out here. That's amazing. Well, anyways, I'm gonna go for a little walk. You can join me. That sea is just so beautiful, isn't it? It's just amazing. There we go. There goes Rocco. There he goes. I turn this around so you don't get seasick. That should be much better. And there goes Rocco the other way. That sun is so bright in my eyes. It's a nice time of day though. It's not super hot. The sun's still shining, but the air feels a little cooler. And of course, when you're walking barefoot in the surf, that feels really good. So I just wanted to stop in and say hi. Y'all take care.